What's up now, friends? Welcome to the video. It's been a while since I've done like a sit down overhead video, but I actually ordered something a long time ago and I just decided I should probably open it and do a video on it. So what we're gonna do today is trying a viral TikTok gel palette. Okay, so I saw this gel palette on TikTok, just kept getting targeted ads after targeted ads on it. And I thought, you know what? That looks convenient, actually. So, I literally don't even remember when I ordered this. It was like months and months and months ago, and I was gonna do a video, and then I just haven't yet. Okay, I never have known if it's model ones. Okay, let's see what I picked up. I don't remember. It's been so long. Months and months and months. I ordered 2 palettes, it appears. There's no like packing slip or invoice with it. So these are how they come. I thought these were cool because it's kind of like makeup artists, you know? They have like, these look like they're the same, but I swear I ordered 2 different. I definitely ordered 2 different ones. So I think they look different on the back. I don't know. They look the same in the container though. How do they know which one's which? So, what was I saying before that? You know how like makeup artists have palettes for their makeup and then go through and use all these different colors? That is kind of what I'm thinking. You know how annoying it is to open your drawer and have to grab like 20 colors to create a nail design? It's annoying, messy, and they spill. I hate it. Okay, let's open one of these up at least, so then I can maybe get another better thumbnail. So hard to open. Oh, cute. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I don't even remember. Like, I seriously don't even remember. I'm so confused. I should probably go back into my emails. Like, I don't remember. Okay, so this looks really cool. It's a record. My husband would think this is cool. I could have sworn this is not what I ordered. So now I'm so confused. Okay, I opened this one and they look the same. That's so cool. I'm really, really liking these. Okay, so I went on here. And so what I originally was looking at were these ones. That's what I got. That's what I was originally shown on like TikTok and stuff. But I guess when I was purchasing these, I hate so many pop-ups. I ended up picking the vinyl record ones because you get 21 colors instead of 9. And I don't know, I just wanted more colors per palette. Because like I said, I think these are really cool for hand painting, flowers, swirl art. Oh, when I'm doing nail compilation videos for YouTube, opening up a million things is super frustrating. So this will be great for that. Okay, so I, luckily, for once, have my nails done so we can do something on them. I'm thinking let's start with something easy, like a swirl design. I'm gonna try this palette. So this one looks more like a fall kind of colors. I think that's why I picked this one. And then this one's like has more bright colors as well as soft colors for spring. I thought that this was really versatile. I have black and white in this palette, nudes and browns, and then I have greens, dark green, lighter greens, neon greens. So I've got orange, burnt orange, red, dark orange, a bunch of different pinks, a bunch of baby blues and gray, and then a couple sparkle ones. Like this is all around. I think I picked pretty good 2 palettes here. I don't really see any colors I'm really missing that I really need. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. Let's try some swirl art. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit. So this is a cream art palette. I'm gonna try maybe, let's do like a, ooh, that feels nice on my brush. Okay, picked up some of this like light color here. Oh, oh cool. This is called Vintage Season. So yeah, it is kind of like, you know, perfect colors for autumn. I have the most annoying bright light shining. Ugh. So annoying. Okay, swirl time. Yeah, that feels pretty nice. I use, right now I currently use like Unbelievable gels to do painted art, and those are really easy to work with, creamy gels too, and this feels nice and creamy too. The Glitter Balls Unbelievable gel is dry tack free though. So I'm gonna flash cure that. Easily clean off my brush and then go in with like a darker one. Let's try this darker one here. Ooh. Yeah, these are pretty good because you can see it's just one coat, nice and thick and creamy. So I'm using these with the top coat already on. So I saw that they either had like a base coat or a top coat. It's just when you're hand painting, either a matte top coat or a shiny top coat, it's just easier for your product to swirl on a top coat. Pretty pretty. Let's see how this glitter. I have no like confidence in glitter that looks like this, but let's give her a try. It's cute. I want to fill in the bottom and I want to try the little brush it comes with. So let's use this pretty green. So first I'm going to take this brush and just draw a line. That's where I want it to start, and then, ooh. You kind of have to float it on. You see? I put it down and then I'm taking my brush and very, very gently floating. Wow, see, so convenient so far to have a giant palette full of all the colors you need. I'd like to see how these creamy, like, nude ones work. Ooh, those are actually creamy. Like, it actually is really nice and creamy. And they do apply well. That was like, that applied nice and creamy. I had no expectations. Like, I really didn't. I was like, a palette with gel in it, like how is that gonna work out well? I guess it is working. Let's try this glitter here on that nail, on that nude nail, and do like a glitter fade maybe. See how glittery this is? Apply that down. Oh. See, the glitter is like a little bit better than I expected it to be. I really want to try this black. I'm going to take a long striper. See, that's the thing. They're really small here, so how am I going to do this? Oh, okay, that works fine. Just put it in. Pull. Oh, you can mix it here, it says. That's cool. Why? Is this easy to wipe off, or do you throw it out? It's like one of those little... And then take this and do like a dollop. Do you know what I mean? I'm doing one of these little cute little black flowers things. So I'm gonna take, or it's like a leaf, black flower leaf. So I do like little dots, and then I take my striper and I connect. Very light pull that color through. I was doing something on my nails the other day. You guys can see here. And I was pushing my cuticle skin back and I slipped and I went stab with the cuticle pusher up into my cuticle area. It hurt so bad and bled super bad, but it's healing now. But now the skin's like falling off where where it's happened, where the trauma happened. Okay, and then I take my little brush, I pull down, and pull that into there, and then we have this like dainty floral design here. A little dainty leaf design. I really like using like these small brushes to get those tiny little lines, because the tiny lines really make it look like dainty and pretty and cute. That's cute. Let's check out the second palette here, this bright one. I saw like this flower design. I thought maybe I could try to copy that. And the fact that I have so many colors, maybe I'll be able to. Let's try. So it's got like an abstract background. So I'm gonna start with that by taking some of the blue. And I'm not gonna cure this yet. I'm just trying to mix some colors in the back. Abstract, right? So you take your brush and you just pull the color in. I just want like a light abstract background here. I'm gonna take that dark purple and place that down. And then before I go in with my purple, I'm gonna do like a leafy thing. So I'm gonna start with a bright green, and then we're gonna, add to it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really into these palettes. This is like really convenient to have so many colors in a palette, not making a giant mess on your table. So I'm not curing, I'm just taking another green and I'm mixing it in. So I'm kind of just overlapping and layering the colors to create an interesting leaf look. And on this side, some pink. Okay, and then this nail is gonna have a yellow center. And then we want to take other colors and kind of just like swooping around other colors of like pinks and purples, because we're trying to make this like an abstract flower. Some really pretty colors in these palettes. So I'm just gonna add some details to this before we go in with that like white to make tie everything together. Now let's check out the white. We're gonna use the white to do some details. We're gonna use the white to draw. Okay, the white's great. Again, I wasn't expecting anything, and just kind of seems to be above, like blowing out my expectations. So that's great. I love when that happens. So again, this design is like all abstract. So you're just kind of like drawing whatever lines. You're not trying to make it like amazing or perfect. So you're just going around and just kind of creating like more defined lines in your like abstract rows. And then the little center has dots in it. Yep, easy abstract design. That was cool. I really like the palette. I think it's a big hit to me. I say I would definitely get more colors and I would recommend it, I think. Gonna say the gold's a little weak. I was hoping for like a stronger look to it, but that's okay. It's more like one you'd have to layer. The sparkly kind of black one's also a little weak, but like I said, like sometimes it's good to have weak colors. Not everything has to be completely high pigment. Weaker colors are great for details, adding in like create hand painting your design before going in with like a darker color. You never know what you're gonna need those weaker colors for. Okay, I need to see this pink glitter, but I feel like it would look really nice on top of that, so I'm gonna try that. Okay, so keep in mind I'm doing my hard hand, so I find it not the easiest thing to do. I just did the thinnest coat ever, and it's actually really pretty. I wasn't expecting that. I'm just gonna do 2 thin coats of that before going in with the sparkle. And then I guess you guys will be able to see, like, look at that coverage. It really goes on nicely. Really smooth. Need to see this color. Ooh, I feel like, yeah, that looks nice together. Like a Barbie. Okay, so I really just wanted to see this one last color here and how it looks. It's kind of like rose gold. Probably looks better on top of something than on its own, but let's check. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 coats of that because that's really pretty. I want to see what it looks like fully on its own. It's kind of like a metal leaf look to it with like a little bit of a stain, like a brownish stain. I don't know, it's really pretty. I like that color like a lot. I know they're not in the same palette, but I wonder if this brown with that rose gold would look nice together. Let's check that. Brown. Okay, and then the gold, the rose gold, on top of brown. Okay, so this is what we did with that palette. Okay, I had a lot of fun playing with these actually, and the palettes exceeded my expectations. I was not expecting so creamy, so easy to work with, and for the colors to actually like be so versatile. Highly recommend, and I will probably pick up more of these. I think they're definitely going to be great for doing little details, for compilation videos. Not sponsored at all. I just wanted to do this video. What do you guys want me to try next? Let me know down below if there's any viral TikTok things you've seen, or any kind of cool nail art design you want me to try, or any product you want me to order and check out. Let me know down below. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, click the bell next to it to be notified when I post, and I will see you guys in the next one.